Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. We've got 4 pasture-raised eggs, a little pepper, a little butter. I've got some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. I got an English muffin, and I got ketchup. What? Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? This is another fast, simple, and easy recipe, but delicious way to start the day and get your protein. All that eggs and cheese, that's a lot of protein to start your day. But let's mix it up with an English muffin and some ketchup. You wait. This is fast, simple, easy, killer diller, and delicious. I'm going to start by getting those eggs going, and I'll put that muffin down. Check it out. All right, we got this on medium. I'm going to throw some butter down. Mix that baby around. Make sure you got enough butter on there. Say a couple of those babies should be enough. That's ready. Now you take those 4 eggs. These are pasture raised, like I said. And you said, Mike, this is scrambled eggs. Why are you putting them in like that? Just watch and learn. If you want to know how to make perfect scrambled eggs, I have a video. Perfect, simple scrambled eggs. And it's kind of like this. And I'm telling you, I'll have that attached to this video so you can check it out. All right, we're going to get this going. I'm going to put that up just a little to medium-high because you want it a decent. You want to wait for it to get solidified on the sides when you start pushing them in. That sound you heard in the background was the toast. That's right, I'm making toast. Keep folding them in, folding them in. I'll put that down just a little now. Slow and go. I'm not kidding. This is the way to do it. You can just add a little pepper if you want. I like pepper. Fold it in. Fold it in. Fold them in. Now my perfect eggs, I didn't add pepper or cheese. But for this recipe, it calls for both. Now we're going to add this cheese right now. That's how you do it. Now I just told you. Put it down to low. Fold it in. Fold it in. These eggs will be done in about 30 seconds. When that toast is ready, put this bad boy together. I told you it was fast, simple, and easy. All right, there we go. Fresh out of the toaster. Butter on both sides. Let's get those eggs. Oh, those are gorgeous. Put that baby right there. That ketchup on top. That's the crazy part. Oh. Fold her over. Center it. There's your baby. I'm not doing a slice reel because it's going to go all over the place. Let's get a close-up. There's the close-up of the killer scrambled egg and ketchup sandwich. We'll see how it tastes. All right, there it is. Time for a big messy bite. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh. The eggs are fluffy, creamy with that cheese. And of course, an English muffin is perfect to hold it all together. But you can taste that ketchup. Sweet, tomatoey, killer diller. There it is. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And keep living Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I didn't say sweet bamboo on this one. Because secretly, I'm not too sure about it. But try it anyway. Try it, bamboo. Baba.